74.
I will let you know. First, let me start the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Vivan.
Ma'am, yesterday because of network issue, I can't join maths class. So, what you did yesterday?
We have done addition. You were there in the yesterday's class.
Yes, ma'am. After that, I can't join.
The addition sums only we have done.
Okay.
Okay, today, good morning, everyone. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ayush, wait. I will come back to you. Today we are going to start the subtractions. So everyone keep your notebooks with you and the pen with you. I'm going to display it on the screen. You all have to write the sums first and solve it. The way we have done the addition, same way we have to do the subtraction. Just keep a note, the bigger number will come first in subtraction and the smaller number will come the next. Yes, Ayush, tell me what is your query?
Map. Sometimes my camera will go off as soon as somebody passes here because the office
No
is
problem.
busy. I have
No
some.
problem.
So if anybody passes because there's some washroom that's why somebody passes.
No
So I have to.
problem. No problem. I understand. Okay. So I'm going to present my screen.
Ma'am,
Yes.
from a technical issue, I cannot hear you. Now I can hear you. What you say?
We are going to do the subtraction sums today. We have done addition yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way we are going to do the subtraction today. What are the rules of subtraction? Can you please explain me what are the rules of subtraction? Who will explain me how we do the subtraction? Yes, Arav Patel. Can you please explain how we do the subtractions? Are there
Yes,
any
ma'am.
rules? Yes.
It is good.
Ayush, yes, can you please explain me?
Ma'am, I can
Rahil Chitra.
explain.
Yes, Arav. Continue. Wait, Ayush,
Ma'am,
wait.
ma'am, ma'am, it is a rule of we have to minus 1 minus 2. We have to
Okay, ma'am.
make carry over from next number.
Okay. And Ayush, can you please explain some rules of a subtraction?
Ma'am, some rules of subtractions are that if the number,
I switch on your mic.
ma'am, the number of denominator means the number which is small, the subtraction one is small and the subtraction down one is big and the upper one is
Please switch
small.
on your mic.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I use mic is switch only. Ma'am, it is some glitch. Ma'am, it is on only.
Everyone keep quiet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now it is coming clear?
Yes, Renu ma'am.
ma'am,
Yes.
the there's a rule that if the upper number is smaller than the denominator number, in the down number, then we have to cross the upper number and take a carryover from the next number of the up.
Okay. Do you know about minute, subtrahend, and difference?
Yes.
So, which number is the minute? Which number is the subtrahend?
My minute is the biggest number.
And?
Subtrahend is the middle's number.
And difference is?
Difference is the answer of the subtraction.
Do you all know the difference is the answer of subtraction? Yes. So I'm going to Very good. I am going to display my screen.
Ma'am,
You
today
some.
ma'am, and
Yes,
today
Neha.
also you will send Google form of subtraction of money.
Yes, yes. Of money. Why about money?
No, ma'am,
Which
capacity.
yes. So it's written here.
It is very interesting
Very good.
chapter, and chapter name is very funny.
Yes.
Jug and mug.
Good. So now, please write in the notebooks. Find the difference between 19 liter and 725 milliliter and 13 liter 914 milliliter. So here, which group is bigger? So to identify that which group is bigger, we have to first identify with from the liters, not from the milliliters. So now Riva Kataria will tell me. Riva Kataria, 19 liter 725 milliliter is bigger or 13 liter 914 milliliter is bigger?
Ma'am, in milliliter or liter?
We compare from the liter only, not from the milliliter, as I said.
Okay, ma'am, 19 liter and 725 milliliter
Yes.
is big.
So this full group, which is, we will only compare from the liters, which is bigger. So we find out that 19 liters, 725 milliliter is bigger number. So 19 liter and 725 will go first, and then 13 liter 914 milliliter will go next. And then you subtract. So when you subtract, 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus 9 is not possible. So what we will do? Yes, here Jahan Agarwal will tell me. Jahan is present today. Jahan Agarwal. Let me see. Check in the box. Jahan Agarwal.
Ma'am, he's there. Yes, ma'am.
Jahan Agarwal, I am going to display my screen again. You please tell me that 17 minus 9 is possible. 7 minus 9 is possible. First tell me this.
No.
So what we will do next?
Ma'am, we have to write it.
Rahil,
We
wait.
will carry over.
We will carry over or we will borrow?
Yes, we will borrow.
What we will borrow? Tell me fast.
The second number.
Yes, the second number we will borrow.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Dhyan. No, you will not say, can I say? Teacher is there. Yes, Ridan, you tell me the answer.
Ma'am, we have to cut 7 and we cut 7, then we have to write up 17, then we minus 17 minus 9. Mama.
Yes, then we minus 17 minus 9 is possible, Ridan.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is 17 minus 9?
8. Ma'am, 8.
8. So now here it was 9. So we cut 19 and write 18 because we have taken 1 liter. It was 19 liters before, right? So we have taken 1 liter from the liters towards the milliliters. Now we cut 19 and write 18. So 8 minus 3 is what? Now Dhyan Dalal will answer me. 8 minus 5. Dhyan Dalal, give me quick answer. 8 minus 5.
8 minus 3 is equals to 5.
I'm asking, wait. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Yes. And 1 minus 1 equals to?
0.
0. Okay. So children, solve this in your notebook fast.
Ma'am, the first or second? Done.
My dear Vivan, this is the first sum only. given in this way after borrowing and after this. So you do the subtraction the way you do.
Ma'am, I did the substantial.
Ma'am, we
Devang,
have to,
did you understood how you will do the subtraction? Yes.
ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
we have to,
At the time, one child switch on the microphone, otherwise I will not listen. If Rudra Goke is speaking, Samriddhi, switch off your microphone. I will not show.
But ma'am, please. I've not seen the question only.
Yes, Rudra, tell me.
ma'am, so we have to write question and then we have to show method. That way,
You just have to write the question and solve it in your own way.
okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
but I have not written the question and you have to.
It is there on the screen now.
Ma'am, ma'am, we have to solve this both. Ma'am, we have to solve the both answers.
No,
Again,
no.
the
To
presentation.
listen to you all, I have to stop my presentation. You should understand first this thing also, right? Samriddhi, Anushka, put your mics off. Yes, Ariman. Please, children, put your mic off. Again, I will display my screen. Again, I will show you my presentation. But to listen to the queries of
Ma'am,
the
I got the answer.
very good. But for listen to the queries of students, I have to come back to the meet and then I have to see you which child is asking. Do you understood everything? Yes, Samriddhi, what was your query?
Ma'am, my query was can you present the screen first? Yeah. In this, there is written question. Find the difference between 119 liter 725 milliliter and 13 liter 9154 milliliter. But in this, when we are subtracting, there is written 1725.
Mhm. This 1725 is written because it has taken the 1 liter milliliter has taken the 1 liter from and 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So it will now become 1725. 1000 plus 725, right?
Okay, ma'am.
When the liter goes to the milliliter, it will be converted in the milliliters. See children, this in detail it is showing the explanation, but you will do the way you do the subtraction sum by borrowing. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will again display my screen. Please continue and then we have few more sums.
Ma'am, I want to ask something. Ma'am, you said on milliliter there are only 3 digits, but if we borrow, then it is 4 digits.
Yes, yes, then it will 4 digit and when you subtract then again it will be 3 digits. Yes, Ashvi.
We have to do both the sums or only one?
No, only one, only one. The way you do the subtraction, you do it in that way.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the second one? I have done the first one.
Yes, children, please write the question. Write only this question and solve it in your own way. Write only this line. Find the difference between 19 liter 725 milliliter and 13 liter 914 milliliter. Write this and solve it in your own way, the way you do the subtraction. I'm going to display the second sum. These are the two more sums. Please write in your notebooks and solve.
Ma'am, please. Mama, I want 18 liter,
Ma'am,
18, 19 and 13.
Lakshay, you do one thing, leave some space and do this one. Okay. Again, when they everyone finish, I will display from the beginning.
ma'am, after after getting answer, we can write the answer in chat box.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Please do these two more sums of subtraction. You notice this thing? Yes, tell me.
Yeah, I was telling that ma'am, it is 19 liter, 725 milliliter, and 13 liter. So what was the next number?
Yes.
Write it fast. Lakshya, write it fast. 19 liter, 725 milliliter, 13 liter, 914 milliliter. Write fast. Okay, those who have done the first one, do this. Two more sums. Children, I will again come back on my Meet screen to see the children are writing or not writing. You all are writing? Show me thumbs up. You all are writing or not?
Please
Yes.
show that.
Yes,
Please
I will
show
show.
the presentation. Yes, ma'am.
In the first one here, you can see 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we borrow 1 and it will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now this 5 will become 4. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So we borrow 1 and make it 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. And here will become 2. 2 minus 1 is, here you will write 1. It is by mistake 2 is written here. You will write 1.
And
See
my
this?
answer is correct.
Yes. 3 minus 7 is not possible. 3 minus 7 is not possible. So we make it 13. And 13 minus 7 is 6. And this is 4 minus 1 is 3. Second sum, 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 8 is not possible. So we make it 17 minus 8 is 9.
Ma'am, this answer is wrong.
My dear, I have corrected and showing with the red pen. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13.
So here will be 10. 10 minus 4 is 6.
You know, ma'am,
Yes.
we have to send the photo of this.
No, this is your classwork. And today I will send the Google form that you have to do.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which you will send the Google form, we have to complete it before 6 o'clock.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear, tell me.
ma'am, I have done that. Ma'am, Google form you have checked it.
Yes.
Get me a Google form.
Please switch off your mic.
Get me a Google form.
Who is shouting like this in the class?
Ma'am, Farzan, mute the Farzan.
Farzan, please.
What, ma'am?
Switch off your microphone whenever you are speaking with some other person.
Oh. Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
am I done? Full.
Okay. Sit. Everyone will done, then I will.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what? Ma'am, some I have right with.
If I have given sums to do it, please do it. If you have done, then sit.
Ma'am, I have write questions and give sums with pencil. It's okay.
No. As I said, in notebook. Vivant, please, when you come in the class, be prepared and come. Vivan Patel, you be prepared and come in the class. Yes, Samriddhi, switch off your microphone.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me. Samriddhi, ask your doubt.
Ma'am, I am asking.
Samriddhi, some other voices are coming. You please sit at the proper place.
Ma'am, I am telling that in
Dhyan Dalal, you're not writing. Dhyan,
in
you not
which
wait, Samriddhi. Dhyan, you are not writing. You are simply sitting in my class.
ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay. Yes, Samriddhi. Samriddhi. Thunder voice is coming, which disturbs you and in my class also. You write in the chat box what you want to ask.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay. I will put forward for the children those who have done these two sums. Do this one also.
ma'am, I can't hear you. I can't see the.
Do this one.
Ma'am,
Find the
just let us. Can you show the previous one?
children could do it quickly. The children who are completing on time, they are just simply sitting. So you have to be fast.
Yeah, ma'am, please can you show the previous one? Ma'am, I have done. What should I do now?
Wait for them.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, first write the sums and solve it later on. Let the others also do on time. Write this sum also and solve it.
Ma'am, we have written the fourth one.
No, fourth one is not there. You directly write this.
Ma'am, will you send this video in classroom?
No.
Ma'am, I can't understand that number. It is little below 3. What is it? It's 8.
23 liter, yes. 18 is 18. 1, 8, 18. 235 milliliters. 23 liters, 147 milliliters. 18 liters, 235 milliliters. And then subtract and find the answer.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Please go.
Ma'am, in 1 minus 2, we will carry over it on
Yes, we will
10
take
and
the
will come
not
8.
carry over. It's a borrowing, Vivan.
Ma'am, borrowing, so it should come 8.
See, my 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1, right?
Yes.
It will become 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. It is not 10. It will become 11 when you borrow 1 from here. Now clear, Vivan? Yes or no, Vivan? Open your microphone and say.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes. And this will become 2. So 2 minus 8 is not possible. So we borrow 1 and it will become 13. 13
Ma'am, it is
sorry,
right.
it will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. And this will become 1.
I'm
1
done.
minus 1 is 0.
Bye, ma'am. I'm done.
Please write the question fast. You can solve it later on also. But questions you have to write on time.
Ma'am, I have done the questions. Ma'am, next. And the answers also.
These are the few questions for the practice. Please write fast so that you can do after the class also. Please write the questions first. Please write the questions first and write them fast and solve it. We will discuss the answers tomorrow.
Ma'am, but I had not done the fourth. Can you do back?
No, no, my dear, now wait. You write these questions, then after some time I will do back. As I'm telling you again and again, please write the question first, leave the space for solution.
Ma'am, can we take the screenshot?
It's your choice.
Ma'am, I am taking the screenshot.
Take the screenshot, but along with that, you have a time to write it in the notebooks also, like the others also writing. So you also have a time to write it in the notebook also. Today I'm going to send you the Google form based on today's topic, subtraction of the measurement of this capacities.
51
You have to solve the answers in the notebook first, and then please switch off your microphone. The way you are doing till now, you first have to solve all the questions which are in the
Ma'am,
form.
ma'am, that 2 are tick. We have to do that.
No. You don't have to take only. You have to do all. A, B, C, D, E, F. You have to do all the sums. Yes. Now listen to me. Farzan,
Ma'am, 30
Farzan.
seconds, only 30 seconds. Please,
No,
ma'am.
wait. Let me speak something, right? Farzan, when I come to meet, I want to see everyone. So my screen will go. So you have to wait for a second when the teacher is talking to the children. Yes? And then the teacher will display it again.
Ma'am, that tick one we have to do that.
You have to do all.
Okay, ma'am.
If by mistake I have done tick here, your eyes are going on that tick only. What about the other sums? And please note, when you are subtracting the liters and milliliters, You only have to compare the liters, that which liters are bigger. If I take this A sum, 6 liter 475 milliliter and 3 liter 162 milliliter. So I will compare the which is the bigger. So I will compare from the liters only, not from the milliliters. So here the 6 liters is big. So the friend of 6 liters, the milliliters, they both will go together. It is not like that you will write.
Ma'am, I write the questions now. I can write the answers also.
Yes. These simple things are no need to ask in the class. You please carry on with your regular work.
Ma'am, if we are done with writing questions, we have to write.
Ma'am, I can't see your presentation.
You go to my present screen. Everyone can see my present screen before? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Before we were able to. Yes, ma'am. Now we are also able to.
I can see your presentation.
Done?
Ma'am, I'm writing like this. The question isn't short, but I am writing find the difference between and then writing the question.
You write find the difference one time only and then write the questions.
Okay.
The way it is given here on the screen.
But okay.
This main question is for all the questions, right? I again come to my meet that I want to see that children are writing or not. Everyone is writing. Everyone is writing. Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, completed. Ma'am, I want next sums. Are there? Ma'am, 3 minutes are left.
Ma'am, are there more sums done with answers?
Done? Everyone done?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
I'm on.
Yeah, ma'am, done. Ma'am, only one sum left. That, ma'am, last one. Ma'am.
Ma'am, I just need the question 3 and I need question 4.
This is done.
Yes, ma'am.
3 and 4 is not there. 1 and 2 you have done and directly the 5th one you have done, right?
Yeah, ma'am, my 5th one is not there. I have not completed that.
This is done.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
this is done. No, I have not done.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Please put your mics off.
Yes, ma'am. Done. No. No.
Please
Ma'am,
put
this
your
also
mic
done.
off.
Ado. I wrote the question.
So those who have not written, please take the screenshots fast.
Ma'am, why we have to take screenshots?
Which child is this?
Ma'am, Mandra Jodia.
Manrajodia, you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The screenshot is for those who have not completed, right? Finish it fast. Which child is this?
Ma'am, Farzan.
Ma'am, remove that child. Now, Farzan, you want to go out of the class now?
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is hang. I can't
Ma'am,
see
can you just
anything.
please show it again? It was my father's call, so I, ma'am, didn't do the screenshot. Yeah, just a minute. I'm giving it.
Renu, ma'am, I have done all the question and the answers.
Very good.
Yeah, ma'am, done.
Ma'am, can we leave because the time is up?
Yes, wait. So I will come back on my screen. So today we have learned how to subtract the measurements of capacities, liters and milliliters. Same here also, if there in one number, if it is 12 liters and 13 milliliters and 8 liters, 453 milliliters. So when 3 digits are coming in the milliliters and in the first one it is 2 digits, so where the 0 will be added? Before the numbers, not after the numbers. Am I clear to everyone? In
Yes, ma'am.
subtraction also, if the number of digits are less, you have to add the digits before the number. So I'm going to send you a Google form today based on today's topic. Solve all the sums in your notebook first. This sum is your class. Lamha, stop talking because I can see the expressions. You please pay attention here in the class.
Ma'am, my small sister's class is going on and she's in between disturbing me that Didi tell me this, Didi tell me
Okay,
that.
keep your mic off first. So you have to do, this is the classwork which you have to complete. Those who have not completed, and I'm going to send you the Google form based on today's topic. Solve all the sums first in your notebook and then click the final answer in the Google form. Am I clear to everyone? Today's class is done with the subtractions. Thank you.
Bye.